Are you grappling with high cholesterol levels? You're not alone in this battle. Studies reveal that a significant number of Americans face elevated cholesterol. According to Dr. Romit Bhattacharya, a prominent cardiologist, regulating your cholesterol is vital for overall well-being. While cholesterol is necessary for our bodies, excessive amounts can lead to severe health complications. The typical American has cholesterol levels 2 to 5 times greater than required. To reduce these levels, consider cutting back on sugar, saturated fats, and cholesterol itself. Here's how you can successfully modify your diet. First, consider replacing butter with healthier oils. Both coconut oil and palm oil are rich in saturated fats. Instead, choose oils like avocado, canola, flaxseed, olive, or sunflower oil. Next, opt for dairy products that are free of fat. Full-fat dairy tends to be high in saturated fats, elevating cholesterol levels. Choose zero-fat options or alternative products, but be cautious with coconut milk. Swap out red meat for leaner protein sources. This means selecting fish such as salmon, skinless poultry, seitan, tempeh, or tofu. These alternatives provide healthier fats, which are less harmful to cholesterol. Don't overlook the importance of fiber. It helps limit cholesterol absorption and keeps you feeling full. Incorporate high-fiber foods like crunchy vegetables, sweet potatoes, whole grains, or consider fiber supplements in your routine. Make whole grains a central part of your meals. They contain no cholesterol. Look for options like quinoa, brown rice, steel-cut oats, and whole wheat bread. Snack wisely by choosing fruits and nuts. Berries offer fiber and contain no cholesterol. However, steer clear of fruit juices. Nuts are also an excellent choice for snacks that help curb hunger. Increase your vegetable intake in every meal. Most veggies are cholesterol-free and high in fiber. Focus on fresh options. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, and spinach are superb choices. Consider incorporating beans and other high-protein, low-cholesterol foods into your diet. Black beans, chickpeas, edamame, and lentils are fantastic options. Switch to beverages without sugar or stick to water. Reducing sugar intake is crucial as it triggers insulin release, which subsequently raises cholesterol production. Kick off your day with a low-cholesterol breakfast. Try making an egg white scramble served on whole wheat toast or oatmeal prepared with berries and nuts. As you implement these dietary adjustments, remember that balance is essential. Strive to fill your plate with 1/4 lean proteins, half with non-starchy vegetables, and the remaining portion with whole grains and healthy fats. To uphold this balance, drink adequate water, choose to eat at the table rather than in front of the television, monitor your food intake, and use smaller plates to control portions. By following these steps, you can significantly improve your cholesterol levels. So why wait? Start making changes today. For additional tips and insights, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.